Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today is Monday. We got a big day. We're hoping today will be our last day of harvest. We've got a crew coming to pour footers for another grain bin pad, and we've started filling that grain bin we moved. So I recorded a little bit during it, but not the whole time. I'll throw in a couple clips of that now. Hey YouTube, welcome back. We're getting this bin anchored down. We worked on some electric here this morning, and then Eric and Josh are getting those cables off from the inside of the bin here. So we're getting this thing tightened down. Well, we worked on the bin all morning. Dad's going out. He's gonna pick some corn here. We don't have anywhere to put it, but we're gonna fill up all the trucks and fill up both grain carts. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we want to pick what we can. So we'll get that much of it knocked out, and then me, Josh, and Eric are gonna keep working on the grain bin over here. So we went and got the torch. We got to replace some of these that the anchors go in. So we're torching out the bolts. Got Josh doing that. Then we're getting ready to pour some concrete with some Sakrete in here. Hey YouTube, it's Saturday. Didn't record anything yesterday. It was kind of a nasty day out. It was drizzling all day, raining. So we didn't record. We had a big day though, working on this grain bin. We put all the blocks in and all the boards that go on top of the blocks. We got the floor in. Today we're going to be working on the flashing that goes around through here and all the way around the bin. And then hopefully here in just a little bit, we'll be putting corn back in here. So me and Eric went around with all the flashing bolts in it and the flashing on. Dad's going around and screwing the flashing down the floor. And now me and Eric are going around and we are filling in all the holes from where the brackets were at on the brackets that hold the cables that picked up the bin. So we're filling all these holes back in that we used. And after that, we get all this done, we should be about ready to start throwing corn. So the day we put the floor in that bin, it was raining pretty good, and it was a pretty busy day. We was trying to rush and hurry and get the floor in so we could start picking again. So I didn't even get the camera out of the truck. We just kind of worked hard that day, got it knocked out. So that's why that wasn't in any of the video. But like I said, hopefully today will be our last day of harvest here. We're gonna try and knock this out before Thanksgiving. That's normally, that's about our normal, probably a few days before Thanksgiving. So we're right on schedule here, even with moving this bin. So we'll get this week going. Well, we're getting trucks unloaded here coming out of the field so we can get finished up. Eric's getting ready to back this one in. Josh is going to get a load out of the grain cart. We got a crew over here digging footers. The other crew came for the new bin and they unloaded all their stuff. They were going to start today, but they didn't want to work on top of the other crew and be stepping on everybody's feet. So they unloaded all their stuff and they're going to come back next week. So hopefully by the end of this year, we might have this revamped grain facility done. Well, the bottom gearbox went out in our auger. So we're swapping augers out here. We got to put a little extension on so this one will hit. And then we're gonna have to get our drive over pit set up so we can finish dumping trucks, so we can get this field done. It's starting to drizzle here a little bit, so hopefully we get her knocked out. Well, we've got our auger set up. Went ahead, dumped this dump trailer before we set up the drive over pit because we can't use it with the drive over pit. So we're gonna dump it and park it out of the way. And then we're gonna get this pit set up so we can start dumping the hoppers. Eric's getting the truck out of the way here. And Josh is in the drive over pit. He's getting ready to start backing it in. Line it up for right here. What'd he say?
I did not realize that, so.
Oh, he's gonna lower them down with this.
We got Eric letting it down here.
Off the ground.
Ted's getting ready to pull the pin for the wheel.
Yeah, take it on out. On up, on up.
There we have, oh, about to that's Ted. Yep.
On TV now? Your wheels just fall off?
Yeah.
Where's the hose going to top?
Holes go on the bottom, right?
Bottom, yeah.
TV crew's here today.
Yeah, we got Jonathan out here. He's trying to pour concrete today.
Hey, we're having problems.
It'll work by the time you get it down.
That motherfucker.
Ted's getting ready to pull the other wheel off here. You dig it?
Yeah, I'm Joe.
You want to stick a block of wood like that under here?
No, I think it'll be alright. It's on the rubber.
Okay. Got our professional skid steer operator here. for dishpan hands. Yeah, no, let's get the flip out.
And there's that. Well, we got that set up. I'm gonna head up, take this semi up to my house since it's empty and get it out of the way. And that's where the grain cart's sitting. And I'm gonna grab it and take it over to Dad where he's gonna be picking that. He's gonna need it. So that's where I'm headed. And this is the last pass for Harvest 2023. So we got our last truck dumped here out of the field. We're getting the auger out of the bin. It's supposed to rain tonight. So we're gonna, Josh is over here in the man lift and he's getting ready to go up on top and put the lid on. Kind of hard to carry the lid up the ladder. So the man lift makes it easy for that. Eric's getting the auger, moving it out of the way here and letting it down. And that's gonna do it for Harvest 2023. Well guys, we're headed home for the night. That's probably gonna do it for this video. Now that harvest is over, we're probably going to cut back to one video a week so that we have time to get a pretty good length video together. There's just not gonna be as much going on, but we are gonna be working on this grain facility, so that is one thing we're gonna have going on. We still have to finish up the floor and our dry fertilizer barn, and then we're probably going to start working on getting our liquid barn going. We got to plumb everything in. So we got plenty of projects going on this winter. But like I said, that's probably the plan for now, is to cut to one video a week. So like I said, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.